Hi all, welcome to Cook for Fun. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So today I'm going to make chicken bread roll. The ingredients needed are 350 grams of boneless chicken, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of fennel powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, salt as needed, 1 cup of chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies, 3/4 cups of grated carrot. Into a cooker add chicken, the spices, ginger garlic paste, salt, and mix it very well. Once it has been mixed very well, close it and put it on top of the stove. Once the chicken has been cooked, start mashing the chickens. Move it into another pan and wait for the water to dry off. Also, mash the chicken. Once all the chicken has been mashed, add 2 teaspoons of oil and mix it very well. Once the oil has been mixed very well with the chicken, add the onion into it, then mix it. Then add the chopped green chili into it and mix it. Then add carrot too. Then add half a teaspoon of pepper, a quarter teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder if you have it. After the chicken masala is ready, add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves into it and mix it very well. Now our masala for the chicken bread roll filling is ready. Next, take the breads and slice off the sides. After the sides has been sliced, take 1 piece of bread and start flattening the bread. Apply some flour paste on the sides where you take a little bit of flour and add a little bit of water and make it into a thick paste. Then into the bread, add the chicken masala and roll it. Do the rest of them too, like this. Then take the slices that has been cut off and put it into a jar and powder it. Now this is our breadcrumbs. Then take half a cup of milk too. First dip the bread roll in milk, then in the breadcrumbs that we made. Instead of milk, egg can also be used. Then place a pan on high flame with oil in it. Once the oil is hot, start adding the chicken rolls into it. Once the color has changed, start flipping them. Wait till this turns brown in color. Once it has turned a darker brown and golden color, start taking them out of the pan. So now our chicken bread roll is ready. If you did enjoy this video, please go down and like this video. Also, comment down your feedbacks. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also, follow us on Instagram at Cook4Fun. Thank you.